Hey everybody, how's it going today? This is Nick with Ventiques with you here again. Today we kind of wanted to give you a short little tutorial on our two-part design of our original metal vents. If you guys have seen them before, you kind of know how they work. If you haven't, we're kind of going to show you just how they install under the flooring. You can see it's a two-part design. You got your frame and your grill insert here. Our frames are a 1/2 inch thick for will accommodate most of your flooring options. The grill inserts easily pop in to the frame design, so that's really simple when you're done installing. These easily pop out. If somebody wanted a different style, you can certainly pop in a different style vent insert itself. So you got accommodations as far as that goes for different styles for the frames and the inserts. But we kind of wanted to show you today, if you haven't seen it, how the frame sits on the subfloor when you're doing some installs. So the frame would go over the duct opening, and as you can see here, this one's with tile. So the installer just has to place the frame down over the opening of the duct, thin set right over the frame, and then make your tile cuts, and they'll be sitting flush with the vent. So you're going to get that nice smooth transition from the floor to the vent with no raised vents like the old school ones that are out there now. Another option that you can see here, so you guys can kind of see it, is with some laminate flooring. So this is 1/2 inch laminate, which works perfect with our original style frame, which is 1/2 inch thick. Basically, all you got to do is put that frame right around on the subfloor, make your cuts for your laminate flooring, and you're going to have that nice smooth finish that is what we're all about with our vents. So no raised vents, easily has the frame under the flooring for install, just so you guys know. You can certainly check us out online for more information. We got some installation videos on there as well, so you can kind of see what we're talking about a little bit more into depth. Visit us online, www.ventiques.com, or give us a call if you have any questions. Just give us a call, 320-292-7582. We'd be happy to help you, answer your questions, and as always, reach out. We're here to help. Thanks.